All right, growth hackers, let's check out this review on Labrika. So Labrika has been on AppSumo for a while now. It's an AI-based all-in-one solution SEO tool. So this will be my first time reviewing it. Again, if you guys don't know, I have a crypto channel as well. I'm an angel investor. I've made over $50 million in my own e-commerce sales. So I like to break apart companies and show them how to really do world-class copywriting, design, marketing, and then growth hacking as well. So if any of these companies are watching this, hit me up in the email in the description below if you could use my help. I'm happy to help you guys out as well, especially if I use your software. So let's check this out. Again, you guys know we start with reviewing the AppSumo deal itself, and then maybe taking a look at some of the competition real quick. Not a full in-depth comparison review video. Those will be saved for later. And then we will review the software, again, first time using it. So most of you, again, will be a first time using the software. So I'll just show you how user intuitive it is and what's good and what's not good about it. So without further ado, let's get started. Labrika, AI-based all-in-one SEO tool that checks over 200 critical factors for ranking and provides highly actionable recommendations that increase site traffic. So right now is $70. We don't have to read through all of this. Let's take a look at the deal itself. So 500 keyword rankings a month and 10,000 page crawls per month. You can add unlimited websites. Okay, so those are the limits basically, and I believe if you stack them, yeah, they're stackable. So the stackable ones would give you more keywords and probably page crawls, I'm assuming. Okay, so next we'll take a look at the website in a second. When you're looking at AppSumo deals, you really want to look at the reviews and also the questions. So let's start by looking at the reviews, and thankfully this has been on for a while, so we are not the first ones to be trying this. So the reviews are pretty good. One of my goats, this guy says, don't pass this one up. And it's really good. You guys want to make sure that the team is actually responding to these. There's a lot of AppSumo deals where the founder just abandons the comment and doesn't respond, and that's really a bad sign. I'll show you more bad signs in a second to do with the social media, but yep. So this guy's saying it's good, good, good. Okay, that's great. Sometimes we want to look at the bad ones as well, so we can filter by, don't know why it's not letting me filter, but let's filter by rating descending, ascending. Okay, here we go. So this guy says it's too complicated, so we'll take a look at why he says that. Too many restrictions. The most restrictions is the number of search queries remaining, and their response is, if you do feel you can reach your limits, we recommend one of three things. Obviously upgrading your subscription, make sure you use the credits where they matter the most. Yeah, upgrade your plan, purchase top-up credits. So for the most part, it's really good reviews. You can see it has 100 reviews, 5 stars. This is why I purchased it. And yeah, let's see the questions. I had asked a question whether this works well with Shopify websites or it's better with non-Shopify websites, and any plans on creating a Shopify app, which has not been answered yet. So hopefully they can answer that. If you're watching this, Labrika, please do give that a look over. All right, so far so good. Next, we like to check out the social media. So specifically the YouTube video, and this is not a good sign. So the last time they posted a video was a year ago. This tells me that they're not quite active, and maybe they're not releasing new features or upgrading bugs and stuff like that. They might be doing this in the background, but as a SaaS company, it's really good to be active on social media, especially YouTube, where people are looking for tutorials and stuff. So not so good on that front. I will subscribe to this, and hopefully if they watch this, they will start creating at least one update video. It would be good to hear. And then we can take a look at some of the reviews. So what I like to do is just type in the name of the product itself and see if people are talking about it recently. So this was 7 months ago. This guy's comparing it to Ahrefs, which is the leader and gold standard. And you guys want to compare these softwares to the leader and gold standard and do a little bit of research before purchasing it. And the good thing about AppSumo is if you do purchase it, you can actually refund it if within 60 days, so you get a chance to try out the software. So it doesn't look like people are posting about it too much. Okay, here we have some that were 2 weeks ago. I did watch some of these reviews. So this guy actually, I believe this one is the guy that compares Labrika with other tools like Neuron Writer, maybe. There's this one versus, okay, so what you can do is type in Labrika versus, okay, so here you can see Scrapey is another one on AppSumo, which I actually purchased and will be doing a follow-up video right after this video. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to check out that video. And then, so this is a good one to compare as well. So you're going to compare the tool to the gold standard, which is Ahrefs or SEMrush, I believe, and then compare the tool to existing AppSumo deals. And I find those are the two good searches to basically watch a couple of reviews and just educate yourself. So I think in this one, or in one of them, yeah, this one maybe, this guy says that Labrika is just way more featureful versus Scrapey. Again, I will do a review video on both. And I believe in another review, I saw that one guy liked Scrapey better, and I wasn't too sure why because he just mentioned it in the comments. So this is why I bought both of them, and we'll be doing a review on both. Okay, so this is their website. Again, you guys know that I like to break apart their websites and just show them what they can do better. So again, I always like a play button up top. Just if people don't want to read this, they can just hit play. And typically you don't want some Fiverr video. You want the founder talking about why he created the software and actually what makes it different compared to the competition. So that's a must for all SaaS companies. So here it says, use Labrika's AI-led SEO toolset to rank higher and generate more organic traffic. Okay, that's fine. You can start a free trial. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it looks pretty comprehensive. You can just see from the screenshots. So this is good. Let's take a look at the pricing. Obviously, we're not paying monthly, which is the good thing. So at 5,000, which is what we got, I believe, it's $73 a month. So we are saving quite a bit. Ours is, again, a lifetime deal. I always like to buy the lifetime deal softwares. Even if they're not quite as good as the gold standard, at least you can just keep using them. So yeah, this is basically after I redeemed the code on AppSumo, I got brought to this page, and you guys can follow along as I go through this for the first time. So domain name, let's type in Scarflings, which is one of my luxury silk and wool scarf companies. Pages to scan, let's just leave this all at default. Let's add some keywords. So one keyword per line. So we'll go scarf, we'll go luxury scarf, and we'll go silk scarf and wool scarf. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. We'll add the keywords. Here we can get keyword suggestions. Let's see if that works. Filtered by keyword. Okay, I don't know what that means. Type in scarf. Scarf? I'm not too sure what that did. If anyone knows, let me know how to use this. You can add or remove suggested keywords. Okay, I don't know why it's suggesting WooCommerce Ambassador. You can also import by file. Okay, so that's it. Maybe I have to select them and then click this. Nope. Not too sure what that is. Okay, so search engines, let's select this. Obviously Google. Countries not required. Not required. Okay, I wonder why region or city is required, but country is not required. Just see if we can add this. Nope. Okay, let's add United States. That's a bug or something. That seems really strange. Okay, here it says country again, so United States. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, that's not liking this so far. That's a miss. You can do top 50 or top 100. Let's add that search engine. Let's also add Canada. Awesome. We'll add those two for now, and we will click start and save and start analysis. Let's see how long this takes. So here we want a full site analysis. You can do only a technical audit or only search engines. Obviously, let's start with the full one. Selected in project settings. Okay, 8 keywords. What's this? So 4 keywords, 1 search query, 8 search queries. Sure. Current credits left on tariff. Okay, so we're going to use 8 of these keywords. Sure. Okay, report is in progress, and we will see how long this takes. Looks like it's quite fast. In my previous video, basically showing another company, it took forever. Yeah, Yeah. Okay, so I'll pause the video and come back when this is done. All right, so it took about an hour to index, I guess, 1,000 pages, which isn't bad, I guess, for the first time you sign up. Let's take a look now. So set up a report schedule. So you can, I guess, run this report weekly or something like that, which is cool. Let's actually do that. So let's set up a weekly one on Monday. Sounds good. Okay, perfect. Rank tracker frequency. Let's do monthly, the first. I don't know if they enabled that for me. Okay, so keywords in the top 10. Right now we're at 0, which is not the best. So here's the top organic competitors. You can see like Aritzia, Hermes, which is our biggest competition. Looks like we're gonna have some tough competition here. So you exceeding scanning limit. Okay, that's poor English. Unscanned pages may contain hidden errors. We recommend you to increase the limit and restart the report. Many technical errors were found that may be damaging your rankings. Wow, so 3,700 critical errors. Interesting. So I did test out another application earlier called Longtail Pro. Check out my previous video to take a look at that. That one actually showed me a pretty good score. I can just show you right here. We had actually a health score of 93%, and it only had about 28 or just over 30 issues. So it's very interesting to see Labrika show so many technical errors. So let's take a look at that. Let's see what they are. So crawler stats, number of pages crawled by our crawler, 1,000 pages indexed. So we might want to increase that to 1,700 so we catch all the indexes next time we crawl. I didn't know we had that many pages indexed, but that's interesting. So everything here looks good. I'm assuming green is good. The domain age, 3 years, 7 months. That's cool. It shows so much detailed information, which Longtail Pro did not show. Shows the DNS as well. Okay, here we get to the errors. 4x errors. What does this mean? Go. Oh, 4 of 4 errors. Okay, so this is amazing, and this is interesting that Longtail Pro did not catch this. I will try a couple other softwares, so make sure you guys subscribe. Pages with this link. That's interesting as well. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Okay, so I will definitely go through and fix these on my website. That should be an easy one to fix. Pages with broken links. That's also pretty crazy. Let's see this. Wow, there's so many broken links. Let's just check out the homepage. Interesting. Okay, looks like there's a lot of work to be done. Pages included in Sitemap X, but not available for crawling. Okay, so far this one just shows a lot of issues technically, which is really good. I guess you can just hire an SEO person to fix all these, or a web developer. Yeah, these are all super technical, which I love, because the other app did not show these. Okay, so that is, yeah, this was all the technical audit, and then the SEO audit. These are all the errors. Wow. Identical meta tag. Crazy. Okay, well, I'll have to go through these in detail. Missing H1s. That's pretty crazy as well. Okay, interesting. So, yeah, you can see, what else do we have here? Unique external links. Pages with more than 200 internal outbound links. Wow. Okay, yeah, I love this. It's super technical. What else do we have here? Site rankings in the US. Total number of keywords, 4. Number of commercial keywords. I don't know why I can't show these here. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's go to site rankings. So that was super technical just on the summary. Here we have the 4 keywords that I typed in, and we are not ranking for any of these. Greater than 50. So a lot of work to be done here. Here we have groups. I guess you can create groups and folders here, which is pretty cool. So let's say we wanted to create one for the company. Do that. Move all of these over. We move these over. Okay. Copy to clipboard. Okay, not the most intuitive. So again, let's try this again. Take that and move it to scarf links. Okay, so they are moved over there now. Great. Now let's see. Optimization and keyword grouping. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of technical stuff. I'll have to watch some walkthroughs on how to use this. Let's see, the technical site audited, I guess, is the same thing that we saw before here, but now you can just zoom into the individual issues here. And we have a sitemap validator in beta. Sitemap warnings, what is this? Yeah, super technical. So I knew that this would be more of a technical app, and we'll review Scrapey right after this. I believe it's less technical than this, which might be more beneficial to some. So user behavior data. Okay, here you connect Google Analytics. So I will do that and pause the video. Okay, so I've gone ahead and connected Google Analytics. Now I click Start User Behavior Summary Report. Cost is free, sure. And this will probably take another hour. Okay, let's see if we can move on from here first. Okay, so Essential Elements Competitor Analysis. I guess you can't continue until the report's done. Links, internal links. Okay, so I'll pause the video again. All right, so that was actually really quick. I finished very fast, so let's go back. User behavior data. See here, traffic, 24,000 users. Is this for a month or what is this? Bounces, pretty high bounce rate. Page depth, 3 pages. Average time on site, it's 2 minutes. Oh, data for the past year, interesting. 68 people per day, so that's pretty good. Traffic looks like it's consistent. Bounce rate is consistent as well. Devices, looks like mobile traffic has gone down. We were probably running some paid ads back here. This is cool. This is a lot of information, easy, very easy to see, summarized from Google, which I love. Clearly it's not tracking certain locations, which is fine. Visits from search engines, it's actually going up, which is great. Wow. In the recent days, probably because I wrote some blog posts. That's actually very interesting. Let's actually check this out. Anyways, I'm happy to see that. The ads, you can even see some ads in here. Okay, I love that. It's amazing. So Essential Elements, Competitor Analysis. Not too sure what this means. Top competitors, again, we have this. Links, internal links, too many outbound. Oh, outbound. I don't know, that's interesting. Certain cart pages, what happens? Click on that. Interesting. That's probably customers' carts. I don't know why that's showing up. Okay, so let's see. Print versions, show site summary report. Well, that's cool. You can white label and just print out a report for people. That's very powerful, especially if you're an agency, which I also have an agency. So tools, change of pages and positions. Okay, so as you can see, I'm quite happy with this tool. I'm actually going to give this 4 or 4.5 right now. For me, it's quite detailed and it shows a lot more than Longtail Pro. But obviously Longtail Pro allows you to search for long tail keywords, which is the benefit of that. So yeah, this is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will do a Scrapey review right now after this. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Peace.